Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Amy here. Today I'm doing my March week 2 plan with me video. This is my first video, so bear with me if there are too many errs or ums in here. I am planning on doing a March 2020 bullet journal flip through so you guys can see what my March setup is like. I would love to see what you are all doing in your bullet journals. You can share with me on Instagram, tag me at Amy N. Mayhew. I am doing a lot of posting on my Instagram. You can check out my past bullet journal spreads from 2019 and also spreads from the beginning of this year of 2020. I hope this inspires you in some way, as I get inspiration from many people and the things that I love. Bullet journaling for me has helped keep my life more organized. With having 3 kids, that's important for me. It has also helped me with my mental health since I love being creative, whether it be crafting, drawing, or some other artistic form of expression. With that, let's get right into this video. As you can see, this month's theme is time. I've chosen to go with pocket watches, gears, and chains for this theme. I love how this theme turned out. On my Instagram, someone did point out how it has a steampunk vibe, and I totally see what she was saying. It just makes me love this theme even more. I know March is traditionally a green or St. Patrick's Day theme, but it's been done so many times that I thought I would try something different. Seeing the clocks and pocket watches makes me think about how time flows and the amount of time that has passed and how much time I have left. If I've used that time wisely or maybe wasted some of it, I find that when I have a goal, I don't have time to waste and don't like to tiptoe around the bush. I tend to be a little blunt, maybe even detrimentally so. Can hurt some feelings sometimes. I try to work on that now and say things with more thought and better, I guess, not hurting people's feelings. There are a lot of circles to draw on this theme, so I cheated a little bit and found something around in my house to trace. I actually found cup lids that my kids had gotten from the movie theater, and they were perfect size. If you want to know how I draw the pocket watches, gears, and chains, I do have a how-to draw picture up on my Instagram as well if you want to check that out. I think the chains turned out really awesome. They took forever to draw, but I think they look totally amazing. I am using a Leuchttrum A5 dotted journal with Crayola Super Tip 100 pack markers for colors and a Staedtler fine liner in 0.5mm. I'll list all the supplies in the description below if you would like to use any of those. Like I said, here's the ers and ums in here. As you can see, I just drew everything out first in pencil, and now I'm just coloring everything in here with all the pocket watches and the gears. I like this goldy color for the watches because I typically think of gold when I think of the pocket watch, not so much silver. Gears, I tend to think of more silver and gray tones, even though I took the gears idea because the gears are inside the clocks, so I thought that'd be a cool touch too, besides just clocks and watches and hourglasses. For this week, I chose to do circles, circle spaces. As you can see, I only have 6, so my very last one will have 2 days in it. It'll have my Saturday and Sunday. I do start my weeks on Monday just because it works easier for me that way. I work pretty much every weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So for writing things down for work, I'm usually not too busy doing other things on the days that I work. So a smaller space is okay for me, that works. I also really like to put a mini calendar, my March mini calendar up in the corner because I love to see what week I am in during the month of March, or any of the months really. I also really like to have in my journal spreads a next week section, so I know what I need to plan or what I need to do, or I can see what's coming up for the next week. It's really convenient for me, even though I have it all in my future log section. I like to have it here too. I can put tasks and stuff in that section as well. I chose to do a blue to this as well just to add some pop of color to it. I was getting a little tired of doing just the gold and the 2 tones of gray. As you can see, now I'm just writing in the days of the week and what numbers they are. I had to make sure with the gears that I still had enough clean room inside that I could write my tasks and events in there. Here I'm writing in, this will be the circle that has the 2 days, the Saturday and the Sunday. Now this is the part where I outline everything with my fine tip marker. I typically like to color everything in and then outline. I find that I don't smudge that way at all, even though sometimes you can draw with the fine liner, wait for it to totally dry, and then color with the markers over top and not get smudged. But I like to do it the other way. Color first and then line everything after. This way it also pulls out a lot more of the details in the drawings. I really had fun with this week's theme. I'm not gonna lie, the gears kind of were a little pain in the butt because I had to make all those little tick things where they line up all together on the outside. Yeah, and like I said before, the chains, they look really awesome, but they took a long time to color and dry, and they're a little tedious, but well worth it. In my opinion, anyway. If you guys like this theme, please let me know. I will hopefully be posting, like I said earlier, a flip through of my March setup, because I didn't really film that one, but I think it's important you guys see that too. Oh no. Also let me know if you do feel or think of a steampunk vibe with this. I kind of thought it was cool. Once it was pointed out, I liked it even more, like I said. And here it is. Here I go in and erase all the pencil lines. Make sure everything's looking nice, clean, and sharp. I do actually erase quite a bit. There you have it. It's all finished. I love the look of this layout. If you have any suggestions or ideas you'd like to see, comment below. I would love to see some of your recreations. Just post on Instagram and tag me at Amy N. Mayhew. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more bullet journal videos. That's all for this video. Keep creating, and we'll see you next time.